Will this be the ultimate ute? It's officially confirmed that Kia will be releasing their first ever ute in Australia. It will be called the Kia Tasman and will be competing with the Ford Ranger and the Toyota Hilux. It will come in a 2.2 litre turbo diesel and possibly a 3 litre turbo diesel, making 184 kilowatts and 565 newton meters of torque. The prototype has been spotted on the streets. It has huge fender flares and a large tub. Inside it looks to have seats from a Kia EV9. It's coming next year. The question is, would you choose it over a Ranger or Hilux?